Hello, Peter checking in again on the meditation and science series again. We're looking at meditation. Can meditation help with my stress and anxiety? Most definitely yes, big yes there. There was a 2012 study from Massachusetts General Hospital and Boston University found that participating in an 8-week meditation training program had positive effects on how the amygdala responded to stress, even when someone is not actively meditating. The findings were published in Journal Frontiers in the Human Neuroscience. Also, I've come across another scientific paper, 2009 by Feng. It was showing about the body tapping, which we do a lot in the Qigong classes that I teach here on YouTube. Body tapping, which actually does stimulate the amygdala, so the body feels like it's not under stress. So you tap in the body, you don't feel like you're under stress. Even if the mind is still going through those stressful moments, that is dragging the body into the stress and anxiety, putting you into that sympathetic nervous state, tapping the body helps to bring it out of that sympathetic nervous state and back into the parasympathetic nervous state, even if the mind is still stressed out. Amazing, amazing. So really we want to try and get the mind-body connection together, which is meditation. So moving meditation, which is Qigong I teach on this channel, you can do that. And I realised this very deeply when I first started Qigong, was that I was really focusing on the movements of my body. Qigong is a lot simpler than Tai Chi. Tai Chi is very precise. Qigong is more your own flow, especially the way that I teach is Kukat Qigong. But when you're really focusing on the flow of your body and let it flow naturally, you really do start to relieve the stress, because your mind is focused on something other than what you're being stressed about or anxious about. Anxiety is like fear of the present moment, because you're worried about what's coming next. Get in the moment with the Qigong and you'll relieve that anxiety and stress. So I've been doing it for quite a while now, and I've learnt to teach it obviously, and running coaching sessions. I am a coach, a meditation and mindfulness coach, where you can learn the 5 pillars that I teach of meditation and mindfulness. It's called the 5 Pillars of Transformation. And it's a course that I'm running. If you want to try the webinar without any obligations, you can just click the link below. You can come through to the training and it will show you the 20-minute webinar of what I do, who I am, and where I would like to take you if you want to go on that journey with me. So you can do it if you want to do it. So give it a go, click the link, try the webinar, let me know what you think. I'd be very interested. But yes, it can deal with stress and anxiety. Meditation can deal with stress and anxiety, and it can really help you transform your life, because it has mine. I want the same for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Sarang Hamida.